the service that you actually provide, in what way do you think it would be beneficial for the listeners and how they can get in contact and,
So yeah, you could follow my bookkeeping page. Reliance Accounting. I'm not really big on social media like that, but yeah, my Gmail is on there. I think it's on my personal page and things like that. And then yeah, Reliance Accounting is one way to contact me. I'm not hard to find. You know what I'm saying? So
do you
yeah,
have a website
I don't have a website
or like a
per
social
se.
media account?
I do have a social media account.
Which
Yeah,
one? Which is it?
Reliance Accounting. Yeah, I do have
On
a.
Instagram
You can
or?
contact me directly on Instagram via CC Laurent 94. Follow me, hit me up, let me
Yeah.
know, and then whatever I can help.
I learned something, and I'm sure everybody listening and watching going to learn something for sure. You know what I mean?
Another thing I want to say too is this is like free game for y'all. They start the LLC, they start the business, which is a good thing, but they don't really actually understand like the repercussion that comes with that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like there's obligation that comes with having the business and not just like operating the business. You got to pay your taxes too. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people don't know that you gotta pay self-employment tax, you know what I'm saying? Because you're self-employed. And then self-employment tax, lo travail pour un moun, you pay a portion, et puis moun nou travail pour li a payer l'autre portion. When you're self-employed, you pay 15%. People don't understand that, and then they don't really meet those requirements, at the end of the year, they owe money and taxes and things like that. And then the other thing too, I would say, go nouveau buy. So if you have an LLC out there, you have an LLC, you can't just have the LLC not operating. So if I think operate LLC, there's nothing going on, just close it out. There's no activity going on. There's no reason for you to keep it open because now you have an obligation to actually file your taxes, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? So people don't know, they don't understand that. And then, nouveau bagay, IS la vini an sama anvel to crack down on people who's laundering money and things like that, doing illegal activities, which is like a BOI, qui c'est on beneficiary owner's information. Kote yo bezon informasyon tout moun ki on business lan supposé voye la le. If you don't send that in, you could get penalized at $591 per day. Keep that in mind. That's something that's really they cracking down on, you know what I'm saying? So that's just free game for y'all. So whoever owns an LLC out there, make sure that you follow your guidelines.
I heard that if you have an LLC and then you want to buy a car on your business name and the car has to be certain weight.
First thing first is understanding any ordinary and necessary expenses can be deductible as a business. You know what I'm saying? Like I said.
Oh, okay.
So let's say using your phone, you could deduct whatever phone bill you paid. You know what I'm saying? Whether you could deduct that. Same thing with a car. One thing you could do is if you use your car for business, let's say you traveling. I'm in the service business. My car is an expense for me. I'm able to actually depreciate my car. All those other expenses, like what I'm saying, because I go see clients or I go to a meeting, with a client or things like that. Or someone qui fait Uber or Nalaria, you can literally depreciate your car. You have a business, you buy a car for the business itself. You could literally like Section 179 it, which allows you to deduct like the whole amount within the first year, you know what I'm saying, and things like that. The expense has to be ordinary or necessary. That's something that you actually need to operate your business. You don't just go buy a G-Wagon just because you want to buy a G-Wagon. You know what I'm saying? Let's just say you mainly in the online business, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then you're gonna buy a car under the business name and I'm gonna deduct it. Now, that's not a ordinary or necessary business, you know what I'm saying? And an expense because the IRS is looking at you sideways, like, okay, you're in the online business, but you bought a car, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's how you get out of it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
There you go. If you want to buy a new BMW, you gotta have a LLC.
It has to be something that that is ordinary or necessary. You know what I'm saying? That's something that you gotta think about. You know what I'm saying? If it's not needed, I wouldn't advise you to deduct it because now you put yourself in getting audited and things like that, which could be a lot of money.
Thank you very much for coming out. If you need any financial advice and what your next move needs to be financially, this is your guy right here.
Hit me up too. I could put you on with the right people. You know what I'm saying? So it's good to have connect.
As always, subscribe and support us however you can, and we'll see you next time.
Appreciate it, guys. Peace.